Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial, where today I'm going to show you how you can add overlays to your video on the CapCut application. So let us begin. First of all, open up the CapCut application and create your new project, or open up any project that you are working on. And once you are inside the editing page, you can simply drag your desired clip onto your timeline. Now there are various different ways to add overlays on your videos. The simplest kind is to add text overlays. Whenever you add any text, you can simply drag it and add it to the layer just above the video. This will then create a new layer and overlay this text onto this new layer. You can make your desired adjustments, and this new layer can have multiple different items added to it. You can also add various different kinds of stickers, and they will go within their own different layer. Anytime you add a new layer, based on whether you added it above or below, it will be placed accordingly within your videos. So in this case, since I added the text layer underneath the video, it doesn't appear anymore. But if I add it above, then now it begins to appear. Now, just like the text and stickers, you can also overlay any other image on top of this. You can adjust the size of this image, and if you wish to change the height and width as well, make sure to turn off the uniform scale toggle. And now this will allow you to adjust the image or video freely. Just like the image, you can also add another layer of video, and by default it may appear full size, but you can reduce this and then have two different videos playing at the same time as well. Depending upon your requirement, you can add as many different layers within your videos, and through this method you can create as many different overlays within your videos as you want. And there you have it. That is how you can create overlays on the CapCut app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.